Hello to all pharmacy, medical, paramedical, life science graduates and your career aspirants. Welcome to the Clinosol YouTube learning channel. To learn more informative topics from us and for notifications on our upcoming posts, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for further notifications. What can you learn here? You can learn about Clinosol's live events, courses, career, scope and opportunities and many innovative programs by the Clinosol Students Forum. In today's video, we are going to discuss about clinical data management and its scope. I assure that by the end of this video, everyone will be able to know that what is clinical data management, what is the purpose and need that evolved the CDM, and who are eligible to undergo training in clinical data management, and what are the skills required to build a career in clinical data management, what is the scope of CDM, what are the responsibilities and what are the job roles available if we build a career in clinical data management. Clinical data management is a critical process in clinical research which leads to generation of high quality, reliable and statistically sound data from clinical trials. Data management in clinical research relates to the process of gathering, capturing, monitoring, analyzing and reporting the data. It captures the data into database and also corrects and also validates the data. The clinical data gathered at investigator site in the case report form and finally stored in the clinical trial data management systems. The objective of good clinical data management are to ensure that the study database is an accurate and true representation of what took place in the study, sufficiently clean to support the statistical analysis and its interpretation. And when coming to what is CRF, a CRF is also known as data collection form that turns the protocol into the data capture system. A CRF is a printed optical and electronic document that is designed to record all the protocol required information to be reported by the sponsor on each study subject. And next, coming to what are the types of CDMs? There are mainly two types: paper-based clinical trial data management system and electronic data capturing system. What are the key differences between paper-based and electronic data capturing system? Data is entered from clinical data management systems from case report forms in paper-based system, whereas in electronic data capturing system, data is directly uploaded to the clinical trial data management systems by the investigator. And paper-based systems are time-consuming process, whereas electronic data capturing system is a time-saving process. And paper-based system is an inexpensive process, whereas electronic data capturing system is an expensive process. DCF sent in paper form to site in paper-based systems, whereas electronic alert sent to the site if there is any problem in electronic data capturing system. What is the purpose and need for clinical data management? As clinical data management provides clean data in a good format, it also provides a database fit for managing clinical data. It ensures the quality of data being transferred from trial subjects to a database system. It delivers quality database for statistical analysis. It also provides more accurate and valid data. It supports accuracy of final conclusion and report. It is a web-based technology and with large volume of data storage. What does a clinical data management system describes? Clinical data management describes an overview of clinical data management and introduces the clinical research database. It also discusses what constitutes data management activities in clinical research. It also describes regulations and guidelines related to data management practices. It also describes what a case report form is and how it is developed. What is the eligibility for clinical data management system? Bachelor's degree in life science, pharmacy, nursing, biotechnology, medical lab technology, physiotherapy, medicine, dental, and any allied health science from a recognized university. What is the eligibility for clinical data management system? Bachelor's degree in life science, pharmacy, nursing, biotechnology, medical lab technology, physiotherapy, medicine, dental, allied health science from a recognized university. What are the competencies and the skills required? What are the competencies and the skills required to be in clinical data management system? Various competencies and skills are required to become a clinical data manager. Some of them are thorough understanding of the drug development process with extensive knowledge of International Conference on Harmonization and good clinical practices, extensive knowledge of clinical trial regulations such as those of United States Food and Drug Administration, European Medicines Evaluation Agency, and Drug Controller General of India, etc. And there should be good computer skills, excellent leadership skills, good record keeping skills, and ability to motivate, self-confidence, ability to think out of the box, problem solving skills, time management skills, knowledge of computer programs such as Oracle, SAS, MS PowerPoint, MS Word, and MS Access is required. When coming to the scope of clinical data management, over the years, clinical data management has become a long way, having its ups and downs, for a while being viewed as a commodity that could easily be outsourced or offshored. Even today, it isn't 100% clear what CDM is all about. It also supports the conduct, management, and analysis of studies across the spectrum of clinical research as defined by the National Institutes of Health. Ultimate goal of clinical data management is to assure that data support conclusions drawn from research. Achieving this goal protects public health and confidence in marketed therapeutics. According to the recent global survey in India, the second most preferred destination for outsourcing clinical trials and clinical research services, India has the advantage because of large patient pool, faster enrollment, and low cost. India offers many advantages as a clinical data management system hub. Cost of conducting clinical trials in India are significantly less as compared to other Western countries. The cost is further being reduced with the use of technology. Concentration of resources, India being a developing country, has a big pool of subjects who can be made part of these trials. Easy availability of patients is big factor why clinical research and data management is growing in India. Expertise India has a huge talent pool of experts who can conduct trials and can maintain a clinical data. Also, this talent is not only available in large cities but also in small cities. India as a hub. India offers many advantages as a clinical data management system hub. Cost, concentration of resource, expertise, comprehensive risk management databases, analysis, mitigation, and PV centers. Consolidation of various databases, especially large ones. India's IT sector is growing at 25% per year, thus maintaining complex clinical data management systems at competitive costs in India is an added advantage. Abundance skilled personnel in all areas of clinical data management available. Hub of almost all clinical trial activities in upcoming years. What are the responsibilities of clinical data management? Study setup, study conduct, and study closeout. Study setup, case report form design development. Database build and testing. edit checks, preparation and testing. When coming to the study conduct, data entry, discrepancy management, data coding using MEDRA and WHO-DDE dictionaries, data review, ongoing quality control, serious adverse event reconciliation and also data transfer. Study closeout, serious adverse event reconciliation, quality control, database lock, electronic archival and also database transfer. Next, coming to what are the job roles available in clinical data management. First one is clinical data manager, who is mainly responsible for supervising the entire clinical data management process. The data manager prepares the data management plan, approves the clinical data management procedures, and also controls and allocates the database access to all the team members. Next, coming to biostatistician. As biostatistics are involved in every step of clinical research, including trial design, protocol development, data management and monitoring, data analysis and clinical trial report. Next, coming to clinical data coordinator. Clinical data coordinators handle clinical information like patient records, appointments, studies and other official documents. Their role is coordinating activities which relate to clinical administrative tasks and recording data for study and validation. Clinical data entry operator. His responsibilities include collecting and entering data in databases and maintaining accurate records of valuable company information. Clinical data reviewer. Data reviewer provides a comprehensive set of quality control and tools that will enable an efficient and consistent data review process. Database administrator. They use specialized software to store and organize the data. The role may include capacity, planning, installation, configuration, database design, migration, performance, monitoring, security, troubleshooting, as well as backup and data recovery. Next, coming to medical coder. The medical coder will code the adverse events, medical history, comorbidities and concomitant medication administered during the study. Database programmer and or developer. Database programmers are responsible for maintaining and updating computer programs and databases and also writing new codes as required. Next, coming to clinical data associate. The data entry personnel will be tracking the receipt of case report form pages and performs the data entry into the database. This is the main task performed by clinical data associate. Here I am going to explain how Clinosol, a best training institute. Our assets, highly skilled and certified and dedicated faculty with over 15 years of industry experience. Flexible and updated course content in the field of clinical research, pharmacovigilance, clinical data management, medical writing, and clinical SAS. Free demonstration sessions to assure our services. Hassle-free server access without interruption. Focus on practical way of learning rather than limiting boundaries to theoretical ways. 24/7 lab support to learn, explore, and grow their knowledge. Real-time case studies for practice, sophisticated and professional tools for web-based learning, access to recorded videos from our servers in case of any queries, affordable pricing for courses offered, certification after successful completion of training, student teams to ameliorate leadership qualities, Clinosol Student Forum, Hyderabad, Visakhapatnam and also in Warangal. What are the complementary add-ons? Bridging the gap between education and industry, free Excel pharmacology and aptitude sessions, academic events with certificates and exciting cash awards, weekly assessments, quiz events and brain teasers. weekly presentations to enhance communication and presentation skills, valuable e-materials, detailed offline and online training, free blog and article publications, 1-year support, question and answer live sessions by eminent personalities, live project works, global certifications, resume plus interview tips and support, insights on daily job baskets, enhanced learning through various social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook, Quora, Telegram, Twitter, and many more. Thank you everyone for your attention. Please write your queries in the comment section. Our team will get back to you soon.